DFN. It's a rainy day. Donald, Daisy, Goofy, and Gordon got important mail. Enjoy. Ugh. I am so bored. Summer vacation is getting so boring. Like, I can't go back for driving because it's raining outside. Gordon, I was thinking we could take you back maybe in September once you guys start school. That's what the guy said. What is this? Oh, tape. Gordon, we'll sort out. Gordon. I could. Ouch. I'm kind of wanting to go back to school. Ow. Why are you biting yourself? I don't know. Ow. Goofy, just come talk to me. I want someone to talk to. Gordon, is this really how a grade 11 would act? You act like you're 3 or 2 years old. My legs are getting tired. Just come! I'm coming. Go. Okay. Yes? Or yes? I wonder what grade Delilah and Daniel are going into. They're 13. They're going into grade 8 this year. And then they'll be joining us in high school. I'll be in grade 12. You'll be in grade 11. And yeah. Oh, Minnie, come here. I'm here. Minnie. Yes, Mickey? Okay. School starts up in a week from today for the kids. Well, a week from tomorrow for our kids. Okay? So, have you enrolled Mickey Jr. and your twins in daycare? Well, Mickey didn't want to go into daycare. Minnie, I'm serious. You need to start looking for a job. Mickey, we just had Gordon learn to drive. His birthday, Goofy's birthday's coming up. There's too much going on. The kids are going into grade 10 and 11. There's just too much going on right now. And besides, Mickey Jr. doesn't want to go, right, Mickey Jr.? No. I don't want to go. Well, Minnie, he needs to start to learn how to be with other kids his age. Before we know it, Minnie, he'll be in kindergarten. Yeah, that's 2 whole years away. When the big kids are graduating. I've already been graduated. Unless you go back for a 5th year. What's a 5th year? Ow! Gordon! Yeah, Gordon. Ugh. Let me down. I'll explain. A 5th year, Gordon, is when you stay behind. So that means instead of graduating with your class next year, you'd be graduating with my class. In 2022, you would be graduating grade 12. Oh, I got it. Can someone help me down? Help! We don't have the huge one behind us. Go! So, Mickey, you enroll them. I don't want to enroll them. You should. Well, let's think about it. Oh my gosh, what am I saying? You and I need to really talk about it. Who's wanting a day home? I could, Mickey, for my job. No, Minnie. Well, the kids don't have to go in September. They could go they could go next year. No, they're not going next September. But Mickey, you think about this. I enjoy not working What, Minnie? Michelle! Michelle and Michael could do a day home for us! No, Minnie. Michael has to work. Well, Michelle doesn't have any more kids anytime soon. She should go back to work. Oh, no. She could be the day home for our kids. And then, Mickey, you and I can... Sorry, guys, that's just the way. And Mickey, you and I could go to work, and Michelle could watch the kids. Well, Minnie, you'll have to talk to your sister on that idea, because I don't know if she wants to. Oh, it's a perfect girl. I'll go call her right now. Whoever the phone is. Not in here. Oh, must be in this basket. Full of stuff. Why is there so much stuff in this basket? Like, seriously. Where is my phone? Oh. I don't know what I could call on. What can I call my sister on? You could call her on, something else. Like what, Mickey? This phone, you can borrow Dad K. Nathan's phone, if that's all it's him. Can I please borrow your phone? Yeah, just this once. Okay, let me call my sister. Okay. Boop. Boop. Maybe this isn't your phone. I know, hi! Michelle, I just thought of a great idea. Put you on speaker. What's the great idea? What if you want a day home for our kids? You could watch the twins, Mickey Jr., and that because Mickey Jr. doesn't want to go to another lady. Okay. I like that idea. Then I don't have to go to work. I can stay with the kids until they all go off to school. Because Mitchell is 2 years behind Mickey Jr. Exactly. That's what I was thinking. Oh, can we please, Mickey? I guess. Would that be Mickey Jr. Come here. Yeah, Dada. Would you want to go be with Aunt Michelle and Uncle Michael for a day? Or Aunt Michelle with... Sorry, guys. Would you all go be with Aunt Michelle and Uncle Michael for a day? Yeah! Mickey Jr. want to. Yes, Aunt Michelle. Mickey Jr. want to. It's settled! Yay! So many when should I stop? Would you all come here because there's more of them so I don't have to transport them? Okay, that would be easier for me. And then me and Mickey, I can get a job, and Mickey can get a job too. Then maybe we can start saving up for a newer house. You're serious? We can get a new house then? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! We could get 5 bedrooms, like we originally had. Oh my gosh! Okay, Minnie, I gotta go. You guys can continue your conversation. Okay, thanks, Michelle. Bye. Bye. Can I come over Friday? Oh, sure, we'll be doing a vlog that day. Okay, see you Friday. See you Friday. Bye. Bye. Beep. Here you go. Thank you. So, Mickey, that's settled. Now we can use, Michelle. Yeah, we can. Perfect. That's out of the way. Meanwhile, the high schoolers. So, let's go over what we're taking again. So this is what I'm taking, you guys. I'm taking English, math, religion, gym, careers, and learning. Careers in leadership, business, history, and technology. And me, Goofy, and Daisy are all taking the same, so we're taking drama, business, history, civics and careers, English, religion, math, and technology design. So here is all of our classes. So yeah. Should our timetables come soon? Yeah, like, I see people like our friends are starting to get theirs. Do we have to register, you guys? Oh no, that's already done. They do that on the first day, actually. They do? Well, they did that for us on the first day of grade 9. I assume they do it on the first day also. Yeah, then we get our student card picture taken and all that. Yeah, a lot that happens. Okay. Let's just talk about school. Soon, a little while later of talking. So anyways, yeah, we could be in some classes and... The door! I'll go get it. Okay, let's all move back here, everyone. Hello? Hello? Hello. It's you, me, your mailman. Hi, mailman. Hi. We have these really important papers that look like the class timetables, so instead of putting them in your mailboxes, I should deliver them directly to your house. Oh, why, thank you very much. You're welcome. I should get on to my next routes now, so bye. Bye, thank you. Oh my gosh, we have our timetables. Yes. What was that, Donald? What, Minnie? I said, what was that? Oh, we have our timetables. Oh, really? It shows what we're in what semester. So, Daisy, Goofy, Gordon, and me. So let me read mine. So coming up in this September, I will be in BBI 201. Let me try to find that. BBI 201. Oh, that's business. I'm in business this semester. And then second class, I have CHC 2PL East 1 Portable. Oh, I'm in a portable. I'm in a portable. Oh gosh. ENG or CHC 2PL. What is that class? History. So I have business history. And then period 3 would be lunch. What? Not lunch? I have a class? Ugh. ENG 2PL. Let me try to find that. English, that's English. And then lunch, 109 to 148. And then 155 to 310 is HOE 201. That is religion. So I'm in religion. So I have business, history, English, religion. Business, English, history, religion. Business, history, English, religion. Woohoo! And then the second semester, I'm in ADA 201. That's drama, I know that. Then TDJ 201 E5. That must be technical design. And then next period is CHC and GLC. That, I think that's civics and careers. Yeah. And then lunch. And then I'm assuming that would be math. So that's my timetable. Oh, guys, let's see if we're in any classes. Oh, let's see, Donald, are we in classes? So I have, you just read out what those meant. So I have that's English. I'll read them out to you. Okay. English. That would be English history. Let me just double check. English, yeah, history, business, and religion. So we are in religion and history. We're in religion and history this semester. Yay! And then for our second semester, drama, You have math, I have that class. Civics and careers, so we're in drama and civics and careers next semester. So we're in 4 classes. We're in 4 classes. We're in 4 classes. Donald, are you okay? Oh, I'm fine. Daisy, your turn. Daisy! Okay, I can probably figure these out. Where's my class timetable? So I have BBI 201 first period. We're in business together. Oh my gosh! We're in business. We're in business. And then I'm in English. You're in that. Goofy! We have English together. We do? Yeah. Woo! We have English. 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 And then CHCPL. Oh. No, we have. I'm confused. We either have history. I think we have history together, period 3. Oh no, we don't. We don't have English. We have it separate times. And then you would have, moving on. We're all in religion, though. Yay! And then I'm in drama. We're all in drama. Yay! We're all in civics and careers together. Me and Donald are in this class. And then we're also in math. We're in all 4 classes in the second semester. We have all 4 classes. We have 6 classes together. That's awesome! Okay, Gordon, tell them your classes. I'm so happy, Mickey. The kids are all happy. Okay. I'm assuming I'm not in any of those classes. So I have, this is more complicated here. I have MEL3UI. So I am in math. BAI is business. And then gym, English. And then TCT. I don't know what that is. What's TCT? Technology. GLC. Oh, that's careers in leadership class. And then CHA. I believe that's history. Yeah. And then HOE. CMI. That's religion. So we're in no classes. Oh, Gordon, you're in grade higher than them. You're taking grade higher classes. So, oh my gosh, this video is getting long. So yeah, guys, that'll be the end of this video. GFN, whatever the title is, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, so it's super long.